Good morning, everyone. We have here Balraj Singh, Sukhdeep Kaur, Harmanpal Singh. So let's discuss some of the questions. Question number one here. Solve the pair of linear equations. Solve 3x plus 2y minus 11 is equal to 0 and 2x plus 3y minus 4 is equal to 0. Equation 1, equation 2 solve for x and y. So what value of x and y? For these two we have here Harshvardhan Singh. Very good morning. So next question. Next question is prove that prove that prove that 3 under root 2 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number. Question number 3. Parul Rana, very good morning, Vijay. Next question. It is if A, B and C find A, B and C such that numbers such that the numbers A 7, B 23, C are in AP. Question number 4. Question number 4 here. If in an AP, if A is equal to minus 3, A is equal to minus 3 and B is equal to 0, find the sum of first 10 terms. Find the sum of first n terms, first 10 terms, first 10 terms. Find the sum of first 10 terms, right? Find the sum of first 10 terms. Take one more question, question number 5. Question number 5 is find the value of k. Find the value of k for which the quadratic equations for which the quadratic equation that is 9x square plus 2kx plus 1 is equal to 0 has real roots. So here we greet very good morning बच्चे. So first question is, in the first question find x and y 3x. So here we can eliminate when we solve. One is first equation by 3 and second equation by, or first by, if you want to eliminate y. So here if you multiply the first equation by 2, if you want to eliminate x, and here this multiply this equation by 3, what do we get? Got 6x plus 4y is equal to 22, and second equation that is 6x plus 6y is equal to, sorry, it is 9y is equal to 9y is equal to, so minus 4, that is 12, right? So here we have the minus minus minus, so here that is minus of 5y, and here we have 10. So y is equal to minus of 2. Y is equal to minus of 2. What is the value of y? Minus of 2. Now substituting the value in any of the equation, that is 3x plus 2 into minus 2 is equal to 11. So 3x is equal to 11 plus 4, and x is equal to 15 upon 3. So x is 5. So value of x is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus of 2. These are the values of x and y. So x is Parul, just check, no problem. Kushal Rana also, welcome in today's class. So this is the first, we have eliminate x, 6x by multiplying first equation by 2 and second equation. You can eliminate second that y also, but the equation will remain the same, right? X is equal to 5 and y is equal to minus 2, right? So Kushal Rana ji, very good morning. So next question, that is, prove that under root 3 upon 2 is an irrational number. So contrary to this fact that this number is irrational, let's suppose this number is a rational number. This number is a rational number, and we can write this number as 3 under root 2 in the form of a upon b, where a and b are both co-prime numbers. Where a, b, both are co-prime numbers. Both are co-prime number, right? So when we rearrange, under root 2 is equal to a upon 3b, right? So we know under root 2 is what? Under root 2 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number, right? Irrational number. But what is a upon 3b? Where a and b are two co-prime numbers, right? So here a upon 3b is a rational number. So this is the contradiction. This is the rational. This is a rational number. So therefore, this is a contradiction. This is a contradiction. Contradiction. So what we say, we can say 3 upon under root 2 is an irrational number. Is an irrational number, right? So under root 3 upon 2 is an irrational number. Next question is, find the value of a, b and c. Find the value of a, B and C. If we have a given AP is given, right? In an AP here, if the numbers are question number 3, the numbers are A 7, B 23 and 7. Find the value of A, B and C. So here, what is the common difference? Common difference here is 7 minus A, and this common difference is also equal to, this is same, B is equal to B minus 7, B minus 7, and the same, the C is also C, that is also not C, the same common difference is equal to C minus 23, right? So we can arrange the equations. It means 7A, 7 minus A is equal to B minus 7. So what we have, we can write here that A minus of A, or we can write here A plus B. A plus B is equal to, because here A is positive, so it is equal to 14, right? A plus B is equal to 14, and in the same way we have from first and third, this is 1, second is your 7 minus A is equal to C minus 23. So again A plus C is equal to A plus C, that is equal to your A plus C, that is equal to 30, and we can have one more, that is B minus C, B minus 7 is equal to C minus 23, right? Let me check here, that is 30, and here we have B plus C, B plus C is equal to 23 minus 7. So 23, here it is positive, and so here we have 16, right? So these three things we have, that A plus B 14, A plus C. Now this is a common difference, whereas the AP here, the first term, or in another way we can write the second, A2 is equal to, A2 is equal to A plus A, sorry, A plus, you can write A plus B is equal to A plus B is equal to 7, and here fourth term A plus 3D, A plus 3D is equal to 23, right? So here the first, we can, so adding both 2A plus 4D. So here anyone who has solved the question? So here, how we can solve A plus B. In place of A is the first term A plus B. B we can choose, that is A plus B. That is A plus B is equal to A into A plus B, that is equal to sorry. So here common difference we can take, that is here we have to rearrange them. Here we have to rearrange these values. One is a plus 3b is equal to, in place of 3d, a plus d, common difference that can be here a plus anyone, if I am taking b minus 7 is equal to 7 1, and this equation, that this is first equation and this is second one. So I am not taking these values, I am simply writing a plus b. In case of b, I am writing b here. So first, this is equation number 3, right? And next is, so here a plus b is 14, and the second equation, that is a plus 3 b again b minus 7 is equal to, that is 23. So I have here a plus 3b minus 21. So here 23 plus 21. So we have now two equations. We have the two equations. One is fourth one, and here is 44. A plus 3b. So we can eliminate a plus b minus 7. Sorry, a b is equal to 14. So when we eliminate, a and a can get cancelled, minus minus. So here it is 2b is equal to 30, and here b is equal to 50. What is the value of b? The value of b here is 15. So what we have got? The value of b is 15. B is equal to 15. If b is 15, then what is a? A is equal to 14 minus 15. So a is equal to minus 1. And the value of c, b is here, b is 15. 15 plus c is equal to 16. So c is equal to 16 minus c is equal to 1. C is equal to 1. Let's check here. C is not 1 here. Let me check here. B plus C. B plus C is equal to, it is B 16. Okay. B plus C. So you can just check these values one by one, right? So here no response from anyone. So you can check this value. A is a plus b is equal to 14. Here a plus 3b is equal to 44, and a b 14, 30, b is, sorry, here b is 2. It is what it is, b is 15, right? And a, so you can just substitute the value and get all the values, right? Whereas the fourth question in AP, a is what? A is minus 3 and common difference is 0. So what is the AP? AP is minus 3, minus 3, minus 3. So sum of all terms are minus 3. Sum of 10 terms. So 10th term, A10 will be minus 3 only. But here we want to write the sum of first 10 terms, right? So S of 10 terms is equal to 10 by 2 into A plus L minus 3 plus of minus 3, right? So here we have this is 5. So 5 into minus of 6 is equal to minus of 30. S of 10 terms, that is minus of 30. And the next, find the value of a for which the quadratic equations as the real roots. We have real roots when the discriminant is greater than equal to 0, right? And the discriminant is greater than equal to 0. For what value of a? So here for this equation, let's take one more question. Question number 6 here. Question number 6 is here a circle of radius 21 in a circle of radius 21 in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree, at the center. Find the length of the arc. 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 Whereas in this question, what we have b squared. What is b? b is equal to b square minus 4ac. Right? So what is b square? That is 2k whole square minus 4ac. 4ac. 4ac is 36. Should be greater than equal to 0. Right? So here what we have the value 4k square. 4k square is greater than equal to 36. Right? Or again k square is greater than equal to 36 divided by 4, that is 9. So k square is greater than equal to 3, right? Because what is the value of k? So k is greater than equal to under 3. K is taking under both sides, so k is greater than under 3, right? So next question, question number 7. Question number 7 is let's take some questions based on the case study, right? Question based on case study. Let's take one tetrahedron, guys. Let's discuss this 6 questions and take the case study questions, right? So here in this question, circle of radius 21 centimeter. If we have a circle of radius 21 centimeter, center is O, arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the Here the radius is 21 centimeter, and here the angle subtended by the arc. This arc is, we are talking about the arc. This is 60 degree. Find the length of the arc. This length here. We are interested to find this length here to here. This length. So we know that the complete circle, that is 2 pi r. So length of the arc, that is point is P point. Here A P B. The length of A P B is equal to theta upon 360, theta upon 360, 60 upon 360 into 2 pi r. 2 pi is 22.7, r is 21. So this is here 0 0, 6 1 the 6, 6 6 the 36. So here we have 21, 3 is 7, 3 is 21, and again here this is 3, this is 1. So we have here 22 into 3 divided by 3. So 3 and 3 get cancelled. So we have left here only with the length here is 22 centimeter. The length of the arc is 22 centimeter. APB is 22 centimeter, right? Let's take few questions based on based on the case studies. Question case study. In case study question, we have here two tetrahedral dies and a pair 6-face dice are rolled simultaneously. Two tetrahedral dice and a pair dice is rolled simultaneously. The number of tetrahedral dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, while the number of dice faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tetrahedral dice and a pair 6-face dice are rolled simultaneously. The number on the tetrahedral dice are 1, 2, 3, 4, and while the number of both tetrahedral dice, a tetrahedron is four side. Tetrahedral dice and a pair 6 faces die are rolled simultaneously. The number of on the tetrahedral dice on 1, 2, 3, 4 on and on die, right, and on the die 6 faces 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now, on the basis of the above information, write the probability that score on 6 faces dice is greater than sum of the scores on the two tetrahedral dice. Right? The sum of probability the score on the 6 faces dice is greater than the sum of the scores of two tetrahedron dice, right? So what is the probability here? How many? So first one, its probability 4 and here it is given 4. So what is the probability that sum of the scores? Probability that the sum of the three scores is 8. So little bit some question is a little bit typical, leave it. Length of the next flash. Find the distance of the point. So here, question number 7. Find the distance. Find the distance of the point 4 minus 3 from the origin. From the origin. Question number 8. Question number 8. ABC is an equilateral triangle with sides 2a. Find its altitude. ABC is an equilateral triangle of sides 2a. Find the length of its altitude. Find the length of its altitude. Next question. Two spheres, if two spheres A and B are of the radii 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Find the ratio of their surface area. Find the ratio of their surface area. Find the ratio of their surface area. So here in the seventh question, the distance of the point 4 minus 3. Origin we know, at origin we have the distance that a point is P, OP, point is P here, OP distance is equal to under root x square plus y square. So here 1 square, that is 16 plus 9 is equal to under root 25. Under root 25 is 5 units is the answer. Right? The distance here from the origin is 5 units. Right? Next one. Here an equilateral triangle. When we are talking about equilateral triangle, means sides 2a. In case of equilateral triangle, all angles they are of 60 each. Equilateral triangle is all sides they are equal. If it is 2a, this is 2a, this is also 2a. The altitude here, that is always making 90 degree here, right? This, if it is A, B, C, this is M here. We are interested to find the AM. What is this AM? We have to find AM, altitude, because the altitude here AM. So here this length is A, right? We will apply Pythagoras theorem. By Pythagoras theorem here AM is equal to AB square minus BM square under root. Right? By Pythagoras theorem, we are applying Pythagoras theorem. This is also 90 degree here. So here we apply this Pythagoras theorem. AM is equal to AB square, that is under root. This is 4A square minus this is A square, which is equal to under root 3A square, right? So we have the altitude, this is A under root 3. What is the altitude? That is A under root 3, right? This altitude here is A under root 3. In so many questions this is used. So the altitude here is 3 under root A under root 3, right? So next one, next question is two spheres A and B are of radii 3 cm, 5 cm. Find the ratio of their surface area. Find the ratio of their surface area. Next question, you find the minus cosine raised to power 4 theta, sine raised to power theta for theta is equal to 45 degree. Theta is equal to 45 degree, right? And one more is simplify 1 plus cotangent square of theta plus 1 upon 1 plus tangent square of theta. Solve. One more question we have. A copper wire is bent in the form of a sphere enclosed an area of 121 square centimeter. If the same wire is rebent to form in the form of the circle, what will be its area? So let's first discuss these questions. Here two spheres A and B are of radii. When radii is 3, one radius that is 3 and another is radius is 5. So ratio surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square. So here 4 pi r square is 3 raised to power 2 and here 4 pi 5 raised to power 2, right? So when we are talking about ratio, get we 5. So the ratio of their surface area is 9 ratio 25. 4 pi get cancelled. The area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. 4 pi r square. This is the area of the sphere. So here we will write that is 9 ratio 25. So next one, in this question we should know if theta is given 45 degree. So we have to check what is the cosine of 45. Cosine of 45, and we know cosine of 45 degree, that is 1 by root 2, right? And cosine of sine of 45 degree, that is also 1 by root 2, right? Sine 45 and cosine 45 are 1 by root 2. So here, if I have to divide into the table, sine of 0 is equal to 0, sine of 30 1 by 2, 45 1 by root 2, under root 3 by 2, and there is 1 here. And same, this is for the sine theta, and for cosine theta, we start from 1, then we have under root 3 by 2, angles are here 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. So sine of 0 is 0, sine of 30 is 1 by 2, sine of 45 is 1 by root 2, and 60 root 3 by 2, sine of 90 is 1. And reverse, cosine of 0 is 1, 30 root 3 by 2, and 45 is same, 1 by 2, and whereas 60 and we have this same, we divide tangent is what? Tangent value we can divide on. Tangent of theta is equal to sine of theta upon cosine of theta. Right? So here sine of tangent of 45 is always 1. Tangent of 45 is equal to always 1. And the most commonly used values are tangent 30 and tangent 60. In height and distance also we are using them, right? So here what we have the values. Tangent of 30, that is equal to 1 by root 3, and tangent of 60, that is equal to 1 root 3. These are the two values which we are using very commonly, right? So next, here in this question, we will substitute the value. Multiply that 2 into cosine square theta, that is 1 by root 2 whole square, minus again 1 by root 2 raised to power 4, right? And plus sine, that is 1 by root 2 raised to power 4, right? So here these two values, sine raised to power 4, this value and this value get cancelled because the value is same, one is plus, one is minus. So we have left here with 2 into 1 by 2, so value is 1. Answer is 1, right? That is answer. So next one, that is simplify 1 plus cotangent square plus question number 11 here is 1 upon 1 plus cotangent